Yeah, today's January 19th. Yeah. Yeah, could you find that Macintosh that Will Hinds borrowed from us? And he put something on there, I guess. I'd like to take a look at what he did. The Apple Macintosh Performance 631, that Will Hinds. I'd like to see what's on there. My high school work is still on there or not. That you're not framing me and you're going to hand it over to the sheriff department or something. That he didn't put anything of mine on there to frame me, did he? Will Hinds used to live at 2029. Susan Dunn's not giving me any straight answers. Where this Macintosh computer's from, it was manufactured in 1994, and Susan let Will Hinds borrow it for over a year, and he brought it back over here. Now Susan's not telling me what units they're in. They're not getting this story straight. Like, where's it at, dude? Otherwise, you're trying to pin some fucking computer shit on me. Today is January 19th, 2026. Will Hinds and Heidi Hayward used to live at 2029, and they moved in July 2025. And Serena and Alberta moved in next door. Yeah, I'd like to take a look at that Apple Macintosh Performance 631 CD. I saw the monitor out in the shed, but I'm not finding the actual computer case for it. The sheriff department was going to come out here off of a search warrant from Kel Brock, rushing me into an evaluation before there was even a trial. They already had like 3 or 4 status conferences before it. And then they throw me to an arraignment after I send the courthouse a bunch of emails, and I suspect somebody hacked my emails. Kel Brock, Judge Lori Matheus, or Jeremy up the street, Jeremy Silva, and Court Anders, that has the same colored car as Judge Lori Matheus, and Judge Lori Matheus has the same middle name as Julianne Byse across the street that filed a restraining order on me, and I'm having difficulties calling an attorney. Attorneys are not picking up my calls. Somebody put in something into the Bar Association, did not answer my calls, and not pick up my case. January 19th, 2026. So I was going to get arrested at the evaluation that Kel Brock wanted me on January 3rd. Susan's going to put an Apple Macintosh from 1994 that was modified by Will Hinds next door, not me. And it was going to be their word against mine. And I was going to go get tossed in a slammer. They want me in jail 5 to life. I'm not. I'm looking for the Macintosh. It says Performance 631 CD. It's a flat desktop that computer monitor sits on top of. Huh?
I like some mess. You like some mess?
Oh.
I like some mess. I don't understand. I gave it to you.
Yeah, you took it. I saw you carry it off one day down the hall, and I haven't seen it since. So I figured you told me that word in the sheds, and so I looked in the sheds, and they're not there.
Wait.
Oh, there it is. It's right here. It's right here.
Oh.
Cool. Performa Macintosh.